Hello subscribers and guests of the channel. Today I am preparing a spring vitamin salad that will help you lose a few pounds in a week if you eat it daily. Bulgarian pepper is a source of such vitamins and minerals as A, E, B2, B5, B9, PP, zinc, iron and potassium. And, of course, it's a great source of vitamin C. But in order to retain vitamin C, you need to eat fruits and vegetables whole. Peel the carrots and cut into strips, as in Korean. Carrots are high in beta-carotene and vitamin A, which is an unimaginable source of eye vitamins that prevent macular degeneration and cataract development. Grate 1 onion. Blue onion has a pronounced antihistamine and antiviral effect. It helps tissue regeneration, which means it prevents cell death. It stimulates the production of amino acids and cleanses the body of toxins and normalizes sugar and prevents the format. Broccoli is a vegetable rich in vitamins, trace elements, and antioxidants. Eating broccoli helps to strengthen the immune system, reduce inflammation in the body, and protect cells from destruction. Half a teaspoon of salt. Subscribe to the channel and click like. Boil broccoli for 2 minutes after boiling. After cooking, take out and put in cold water with ice. Ice is needed so that the vegetable retains its bright green color. Pat the cabbage dry with paper towels. Collecting salad. Put chopped bell peppers, carrots, blue onions and broccoli in a salad bowl. Half a teaspoon of salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground pepper. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix everything thoroughly and you can enjoy a delicious spring vitamin salad. Eating such a fresh salad every day for a week, you can lose a couple of pounds. Leave your comments, I'll be interested to read. Be healthy and bon appetit!